The countdown has officially begun. DJI's latest marvel, the Neo2, is ready to soar beyond borders. After captivating audiences in China and appearing in select markets like the Philippines, this sleek, pocket-sized drone is finally going global on November 13th. DJI is rolling it out across Europe, the UK, Canada, Brazil, and more, but the US launch remains a mystery. Teased for November 18th. While we wait for that, we've dug into every leak detail and first impression, so you'll know exactly what to expect from the Neo2. Design and build at first glance. It might remind you of the original Neo with its compact, palm-sized frame and enclosed prop guard. But the Neo2 is a completely reimagined drone, blending stability with style. Weighing 151 grams, it's slightly heavier than its predecessor. But that extra weight actually helps it. Handle winds up to 10 meters per second effortlessly. The redesigned propellers are not just quieter, they're more aerodynamic, making indoor flights smooth and serene. A tiny front display gives instant feedback on battery and recording status, so you won't need to constantly check your phone mid-flight. Camera and footage under the hood. The Neo2 features a 2-axis gimbal paired with a 4060 fps camera. The results? Stunningly cinematic footage with vibrant colors and sharp detail. Want slow motion? Even at 100 fps in 4K, your shots stay crisp and stable thanks to DJI's refined stabilization system. For such a small drone, it's a huge leap forward in aerial videography, flight, and smart features. But what really sets the Neo2 apart is how it flies. With omnidirectional obstacles sensing front, back sides, top, and bottom crashes are nearly impossible, even for beginners. Gesture controls make takeoff and landing simple, and voice commands like start recording bring a futuristic touch. Its iFollow system can track movements up to 12 meters per second, automatically recognizing walking, running, or cycling. Solo creators will love the hands-free filming capability, keeping the subject perfectly framed at all times. Connectivity and battery connectivity has also leveled up. Control it with just your phone within 100 meters. Or pair it with DJI's O for system for up to 10 kilometers of low latency transmission. Compatible with RCN3, RCN2, and RC2 controllers, it integrates seamlessly with the DJI ecosystem, making it ideal for Mini 5 Pro or Air 3 users. Battery life reaches 19 minutes, and while the new batteries aren't backward compatible, they offer smarter dual direction, charging, and improved heat management for longer flights. Verdict: the Neo2 isn't just a drone, it's a creator's companion disguised as a toy. Compact, quiet, and smart. It's perfect for apartments, cafes, or quick outdoor clips. Starting around $570 United States dollars or $980 for the Fly More combo. It may not be the cheapest beginner drone, but it's worth every penny. For new pilots, it's safe and intuitive. For pros, it's a portable B-roll powerhouse. DJI's Neo2 is about confidence in flight, enabling creators to capture the world effortlessly. DJI Pocket for sneak peek. Meanwhile, DJI is teasing another game changer, the Osmo Pocket. 4. Fresh leaks from Shenzhen show DJI employees testing it side by side with the Pocket 3, hinting at a pre-launch evaluation. Rumors suggest a sleeker, lighter design at 116 grams, about 35% lighter than its predecessor. Early leaks show improved stabilization, optimized ergonomics, and a refined control layout expected to launch December 2025 to January 2026. Pricing could range from $699 to $799, with a possible Pro variant hitting $899. The Pocket 4 seems poised to combine pro-level capabilities with true pocket-size portability, challenging rivals like Insta360 GoPro. In vivo, DJI is sending a clear message. The next generation of compact cameras is about to redefine what a pocket camera can do. Closing. Whether it's the Neo2 or the upcoming Pocket 4, DJI is raising the bar for creators everywhere. From effortless flying to cinematic handheld footage, These gadgets aren't just tools. They're invitations to explore, create, and capture the world like never before.